Hi guys, welcome back to the video. So this video is going to be all about recursion. So yeah, let's start with the usual stuff. What is the definition of recursion? So basically when a process in which a function calls itself directly or indirectly is called recursion. Okay, and the corresponding function is called recursive function. You may have heard me telling many times that this is a recursive algorithm, recursive function. So yeah, in which a function calls itself directly in the function or indirectly. Okay, so let's see a mathematical interpretation of this. Let us consider a problem that a programmer have to determine the sum of this first natural number. So given a number n, we have to determine the sum till number n. Okay, so this is the first approach, in which we will simply do by adding one by one till the number n. This is the first approach, and the second approach is another this is a recursive adding, the second approach, in which we will use a recursive function or algorithm. So here you can see there is a simple difference between 1 and 2, is that in approach 2 you can actually see that in function 1 we are this is function f, and we are actually calling it itself in the function. Here you can see like this inside the function. So this phenomenon is known as recursion, and the function containing recursion is also called recursive function. At the end, this is a great tool in the hand of the programmers to code some problems. Yeah, so this is some theory parts you can see over here. So let's see a practical demonstration by seeing the code over here. So here you can see that this is a C program, demonstration of a C program. Here you can see that first we determined this function. This is the int, this is the function fun, and we are passing a parameter n over here, and it basically checks if n is equal to 1, then we will simply return 1, else. Here you can see that we are calling the function fun inside the function itself. Okay, so this becomes a recursive function over here, this. So now let's see the main function. So here we have the main function. We are passing the parameter 4 to this function fun. So what will be the output? So the output will be 3 actually. No, sorry, it is going to be 4. Sorry, 4 is going to be the output of this program. How? Let's see. So first of all, what we have done over here, you can see that function 4 is here. We have passed the function, and now it checks that if the function is equal n is equal to 1, then it will return 1. So it is not, 4 is not equal to 1, then it goes to this else over here, and here it is returning 1 plus function n minus 1, which means that it is not we will actually pass this 4 in here, and it will actually become function 3. Okay, it will become 3 over here. So when it becomes 3, it again will check to this point, and it will check that is it 3, no, then it will subtract and pass this argument over here. It will do 2, then 1, and after it's all done, they will simply, after basically if it's 1, this 1 will be returned over here like f. I'm just taking the function as f, so function 2. Okay, so 1 plus here you can see that we will add 1 over here, so there is function 2 over here. Okay, and then this will go to here. Okay, this will become 1, and it will simply become 2 over here. Okay, and then this will go further, like this is actually this will become 1 over here, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, then this will again go to this place over here. So this recursive algorithm will give the output 4. Okay, so this is a simple explanation on how it will become, how this recursive algorithm works. So let's actually see how this program works in a real code editor. So here I have the code ready. Let's maximize. It's actually a different code, so let me just change some values over here. Yeah, so let's open the terminal here. And here we'll open the terminal. And here we will just compile the program. Recursion minus, so E7. After it's done, let's run the, so you can see 4 is returned. Okay, so here we can take another problem which I wrote just now. Okay, let's see how it works. I will write 7 over here, and this will be a minus 2. So here you can comment in the comment section what will be the output of this program. Okay, so I hope you have like commented till now. Basically the output of this program will be 15. Okay, so let's compile it again, run it again. Here you can see this is 15. How? Basically 4 is passed over here. It checks that is 4 is equal to 0, no, so else it will just pass it over here. 4 minus 2, 2. It will again roll back to this number 2, and it checks that 2 is not equal to 0. Then basically it returns 2 here, and this becomes 2 minus 2 actually becomes 0. So this is actually the number becomes 0. So then it will return 1, and 1 plus 7 it becomes 8, and 8 then goes back to the previous number was, I guess, 2 actually, no, yes. So this is how it returns the value 15. Okay, you can study this deeply how this got. It is not a rocket science actually. It, after this is passed over here, 2 plus 7, 8, 9, and then basically it rolls back to the original number, and then 8 plus 7 actually becomes 15 over here. So I printed it earlier only, and the output is really 15. So yeah, this was the video explaining recursion. Okay, so actually this was the topic I also found a bit tricky and challenging. Okay, so yeah, practice recursion well, because it's kind of a tricky topic. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye.